Style Craze is hosting a 2-day show at Vama Gallery. You will find some beautiful kurta sets, some beautiful mushroom tops from Kutch. We have got handcrafted jewelry pieces with us. We have got homemade bars for your bathing. We have got healthy snacks options like khakra of wheat, some puris, ragi laddu, homemade chocolates, and we have got options in bedding as well. And we have got all of white collection. So do visit TRP Mall where you will find some beautiful stuff in Vama Gallery today and tomorrow. So these are all beautiful Indo-Westerns, perfect for your Sufi nights and your cocktail parties. Everything you will get here under 3000. Look at this piece, perfect for your Mehndi and Haldi carnivals. If you need this kind of pot set for your staycation, for this kind of dresses, you'll have beautiful range and everything is under 3000. Something in kaftan style, Indo-Western, very beautiful. Look at the detailing. We have got options in bedding as well. If you need some beautiful cotton bed sheets, some different pastel tones, something in Jaipuri print, or you need some doormats and some anti-slippery doormats, we have got that. These are some beautiful stuff for your home, and these are some essential needs. If you need to buy, you'll find so much here. These are the beautiful napkins, yes, and we have got cotton collection as well. Then we do have these handcrafted sets available with us, some hangings as well, something in evil eye, and these are all the bed sheets I showed you. These are the options in nashta. If you need some puri, shakarpara, some ragi nashta, laddus of ragis, some dry fruit chikkis, some way. So this is perfect nasta for yourself. જ્યાં તમને ઘઉંના ખાખરા મળી જવાના છે. Everything is handmade, homemade, and you can see the more variety available here in shakarpara as well. If you need something in wafers, something in chikkis, we have got so many varieties. You can see we have got halwas, we have got kachoris, something in chakri, biscuits, much more variety in nashta available here. And we have got different variety of mukhwas, seeds. If you need something, everything is homemade. And now we will have pure honey with us. Look at this. If you need different flavors in honey, you will get it, and this is so perfect.
This one pure cotton silk Tarrant Pike original sarees.
Yes.
Yes, then tissue sarees with musical instruments. So lovely sarees. And then pure khadi lower.
Wear.
Yes.
Yes.
And then also shirts for gents.
Yes.
Pure ajrak block print.
We have got men's kurta as well. You can see you will have everything here in mushroom from Kutch. You need some short tops, some in blouses with Kutchi work, and these are men's kurta if you need. We have got variety in dupatta as well. If you need with bandhani or some vintage dupatta, we have got ajrak collection, something with mirror work.
This is reversible.
Yes. If you need some items to decor your home, then this is a perfect place to come. Look at the statues we have, some with Shivji, Buddhas, and something with the Ganeshji. And if you want some beautiful, cute, quirky statues, then again you will find some beautiful options here like that. So these are some perfect gifting option as well if you want to gift someone, and perfect for your home as well. Look at this bike. And we have got more options in bathing option like towel, napkins, and some kurtis as well if you want. We have got clothes, something in bottoms, leggings or some plazos, and some shirts as well. So these are all handcrafted earrings, very lightweight, perfect for your mehndi, haldi and wedding functions. We have got diamond collection as well and some kundan collection for this wedding season. Look at that. Some beautiful sets are available, some Mangal Sutra as well, and these are all ethnic bracelets if you want. We have got this kind of jhumkas as well, and if you want to go with some heavy jhumka but very lightweight, then again we do have options. These are all the kadas, some beautiful bangles with the dora work, and these are all neck pieces along with earrings. We have got homemade chocolates as well, perfect for your kids. We do find different flavors here, and now we do have this jewelry collection, something in German silver, something in dual tone if you want. From routine cord set to some wedding collection, we have got everything. Look at these shirts and cord set. We have something for your nights, perfect, very comfy. And now we come to the party wear collection. Here we find some beautiful collection in 3-piece suits, something with this bandhani print. You can see the more collection is available here in cotton as well. If you want something in 3-piece suits, we have got beautiful collection. Some homemade bathing bars if you want for yourself, to pamper yourself. We have got some stuff. These are all homemade things, homemade handmade perfumes if you need. We have got nails as well, perfect for this wedding season, and these are all handcrafted earrings. Look at that, some beautiful earrings, and their USP, the lip balm. You will get a lot of shades in the lip balm if you want. You can see in the different shapes available here. And now moving to the all off-white collection, where you find some beautiful short tops, some kids wear, some cord sets, some long dresses in all off-white collection. You can see if you want some cord set or some beautiful cute stuff for the kids, we have got that. Yes, something with the